At Rentschers, we pride ourselves in providing the best products, customer service and logistics in the automotive industry. Working hard to satisfy the tool and equipment needs of vehicle maintenance facilities from independent shops to nationwide service centers. Whether you're looking to make a small tool order or large heavy equipment purchase, our experts and well-trained client service representatives stay up to date on the latest product trends in the industry to help you make the most informed buying decisions possible. And once your order is in, we employ the most advanced order processing and shipping technology available, ensuring you get the equipment you need, when you need it. Plus, we'll keep you informed every step of the way and give you the comfort of knowing that all delivery, installation, and service needs are being thoughtfully coordinated with industry professionals, nationwide. At Rentschers, we are committed to building rewarding long-term customer relationships, and look forward to becoming your trusted source for tools and equipment. To see how we can help you, give us a call at 800-261-7729 or visit rentschers.com.